This is the package I received for the 12-piece wood carpenter drill bit set. They range from 1/8 all the way up to half. They're made of good, high quality metal. Perfect for fitting inside of a drill of your choice. The top is pointed and is a spiral form hexagon. Quality, durable metal. It's very sharp, not sharp, but good for the bits. The point is very pointy, that's for sure. And I just put the biggest one here, the half one, at this drill, and it fits perfectly nicely. I guess I can do a quick little test. This is my workbench. Let me see. Just a little quick test. Went right through very easily. And it's still pointy at the top. It's a good choice to go with because they give you different sizes, dimensions to choose from, which would be very helpful for depending on the project or what you need done.